Hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If your handstands look like any of the videos that just played, then this is a video for you. We are going to go through 7 different stabilization exercises so that you aren't kicking up and just trying to find that sweet spot. Our goal is to get it to where you can kick up with control and confidence in your handstands. The first exercise or cue that we're gonna do are planched fingertip push-ups. So you're gonna start on your hands and knees. Shoulders, you want to move over your fingertips. Strengthen this by doing fingertip push-ups. So we're here, up on your fingertips, down. The biggest thing that you don't want to happen is your shoulders falling back over your palms. So this is not right. This is what we're looking for. So for our next exercise, number 2 and cue, we're gonna do overhead plate holds. I want your hands to be flat on the plate. I'm using a 25-pound plate, but hands are gonna be flat. We're gonna raise them up overhead. We want our shoulders to be open in handstands. So if I were to tell you to hold a plate right here for 3 minutes, that would be really hard. So opening up your shoulders, tucking your toe bone under. So here, tuck under, shrug your shoulders up to the ceiling. You can slightly look up and just hold. Exercise number 3 and cue number 3, we're gonna do slow L handstands. So your cue here is you wanna kill the momentum. If you can't find control at the top, then you need to take some of the momentum out of it to try and find that control. So we're gonna do this by starting with our hands on the ground. Remember that cue, shoulders over your fingertips, and we're gonna do L handstands. So kick up, make an L with your legs. Kick up, control, use those fingertips in the ground. Cue, exercise number 4, a handstand body shape hold up against the wall. So we're gonna lay on our stomach and we're gonna push the wall away because it's gonna teach your body what position it needs to be in. If you're doing this in your handstand, then you're not going to be able to hold it and stabilize. Mimic this position when you go upside down and you're going to be great. Hands on the wall. Here, tuck your head under. Look up at your hands and push and squeeze. I'm pushing the wall away and my lower body is tight. I'm not here. I'm not here. I'm just flat. So draw one line all the way down your body. Alright guys, so exercise tip cue number 5. We've already mentioned this in a previous exercise, but your fingertips are what balance you. So this exercise is going to be great because it's going to take everything else out of the way so you only focus on using your fingertips. Into a handstand with our back up against the wall, and you're going to use your fingertips to bring your heels off the wall. Using those fingertips into the ground, squeeze them into the ground to bring yourself off the wall. My heels come off the wall and then they come back on. Exercise cue tip number 6 is going to be tuck ups. What we want to focus on here is just like going back to that plate overhead position. We want things to be stacked on top of each other. So this exercise, we're focusing on getting our hips stacked over our shoulders, which are stacked over our fingertips. Starting in this position, you already know, shoulders over fingertips, and we're gonna just do a little jump. Stack the hips overhead, back down. Stack the hips overhead, back down. Stack hips over shoulders, over fingertips. All right guys, bringing it home with exercise tip cue number 7. This is going to teach us slow correction. We've learned all of the cues, now let's apply them in our handstand. I want you to pretend, imagine with me that there's glue on your hands and you cannot pick your hands up off of the ground because they are glued there. Start here. Arms are going to start down because we don't want that momentum and we want control. So hands starting down. We're going to slowly go up, go through all of our cues, and glue our hands to the ground. Nice, slow, and steady. Slow corrections. Slow, slow, slow. Back down. I hope this helps you and your handstand practice. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. In the link below, there's going to be an application. If you want to learn how to do a handstand and you want more information on my program, fill out that application below. Alright guys, I hope that you have an incredible day, and I thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for watching this video.